Expand or compress all activity table groupings. Expand or compress a single group. Move the group folders and individual activities to define their organization in the table. Search for an activity or a group within the table by specifying the search field and the text to look for. Create, modify or delete activities and folder groups. Customize the table by adding or removing columns. Modify the activity start date. Customize activity and group data fonts and styles within the table. Use the Insert key to insert an activity of group folder. Use the Ctrl plus Cancel keys to delete the group folder or the selected activity. A simple double-click modifies the selected activity's quantity. Use Shift plus click to select a group of folders and consecutive activities. Ctrl plus click to select a group of folders or activities.